Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another fun day. Beautiful fun day. We are picking up two cars. What's up, Andre? Welcome.
Hello.
Why are you running away?
I'm awkward on camera.
Okay. We need to grab some tools. We are in the Fiesta, having a party. Today's a beautiful day, but like it's a little too warm than what we're used to. But we are going to Mannheim to pick up two cars. One that he bought, a salvage title Passat at a dealer-only auction. Yes, they do sell those. And it is a diesel, yeah, a nice Passat diesel, decent miles, and I think he got it for a crazy good price. And I bought a Mazda CX-7, their SUV, the touring edition, so it has like leather seats and whatnot. Both cars are on the higher mileage spectrum, but his being a diesel, it's not as much of a big deal as mine. But we are a few minutes away. I'll see you guys at Mannheim. We're gonna find those cars and take a look at them. What a beautiful day. We have made it to Mannheim, and now we're just trying to find the two cars. Mazda will be a little bit easier to spot because it is an SUV. Oh, and it's Hertz, and Hertz is in that lane. So let's actually find Andre's car first, and then we will find the Mazda. I tried that BMW, went for too much. So many cars, sea of cars. I tried this one also, and I tried that one also. This one, older, with higher miles, went for more than that one. Weird how auctions work. I have no idea how much it went for, but I got a $12,000 offer for it. Andy said let it go for 13.5. Responded, no response. I tried to buy this police interceptor because I figured why not? You know, it'd be kind of fun to abuse it. And I think it went for like $700-800. But the interior was completely busted. But it had decent miles and it's a V8. I got it already lifted and everything. Take it off-roading, man, we kind of got far. And still no sign. Big truck, another big truck. Some side damage on this one. Star Auto. Oh, that's a bummer, look at that.
Yeah, it's everywhere on the back too.
Dang, means it's been sitting out in the sun. All right, we are pretty much at the mechanic, body shop, and detail shop. We still haven't found it. Man, look at how many Amazon. Like, if you guys see them off in the distance right there. And then, see all of them over here. And there's even more over there. There's probably a few hundred of these things here. Still nothing. So now we are in a different lane, heading back. I guess if we find the Mazda first, we'll take a look at that one. So these Amazon vans, cargo, whatever, they are 3 rows deep. And there's at least maybe 60 of them, one by one. So 60 times 3. You can do the math. It's a lot of Amazon vans. Pretty sure this is mine. CX-7 Mazda. Can you pop the hood, Andre? Let's check the fluids. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is what I bought. Yep. Yes, sir. This is it. So engine oil level. Man, what a system. Ooh, that hurt. Ooh, we are low on oil. Just at the bottom. So this thing has like 160k miles, if I remember correctly. Close it. Do you want to try to start, Andre?
I think it's bad.
Think it's
no lights at all.
No lights? Okay.
Yeah.
Completely dead? Well, shoot. We gotta borrow. Huh? Heated seats.
That leather is very good for 160,000 miles.
Okay, well, let's go find yours since yours is ready. And what I mean when this Mazda isn't ready, I paid for it and I did a wire transfer, because right now you can't really pay in the office. and it takes a little bit to clear. So Andre won his car. I did a wire transfer from my account, and then like an hour later I won the Mazda. So that's why there's a slight delay, and I don't know when they process it. You know, maybe once a day, twice a day or whatnot. So we'll see, maybe it won't even be ready today, but Andre's car is ready. We have the pull-out slip, it's good to go. We just gotta find the thing. We asked one of the guys that works here because we needed help. I'm down for exercise, but I'm not used to the sunlight. So it's really weird to kind of walk around. But he basically looked at this paper, said it's in clean detail. So it's right outside the detail shop, which you guys saw like a minute ago in this video. So we are heading back there. Hopefully we find it, and then we're gonna get out of here. This is such a gorgeous car. Really, really want to drive one, maybe own one. So here are the cars, and allegedly this Passat is gonna be one of them. That side?
This building, they're facing this way, it's on the side of the building.
Okay, well,
or is that it?
you see it? Oh, yeah. I guess let's see. This isn't it. It's a wagon. Had us fooled. Busted. That might be up for sale soon. I might be interested in that. Golf TDI, another diesel. Nice. You know what suck? Yup. Exactly what I was thinking. If it's somewhere in the center, we gotta move like 6 cars out of the way. I mean, I'm down for a challenge, but and I'm kind of. You found it? It literally isn't.
No, it's good.
Oh, lucky. Alright, dude, let's check the fluids and get this thing out. It is clean, but Andre said it stinks.
But it's clean, like just the seats.
No, it's not bad. That's not bad. It's not like a pro detail, but it's honestly good enough to sell. Wheel. Oh, gotta love Volkswagen.
That's not supposed to happen.
Right at the bottom also?
And it needs an oil change bad.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, diesel oil.
Diesel, yep. You probably do like 500 miles, it's gonna look like that. But we could still do an oil change just so it's fresh and good to go. Curious if those are HID headlights. I don't think they made them in a HID variants, but who knows? Oh, there's some damage right there. All right, Andre, I'm gonna try to start it. We got glow plugs on this bad boy. So we're gonna give it a minute. Where's the glow plug? Woo, started on its own. Oh, that's awesome. I guess I am driving this thing out. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing?
It's not found.
Maybe heated mirror. Driver heated mirror, and it's gone. So Andre, see how much they are? Get one ordered ASAP. Bro, this is a little sketchy, not gonna lie. Sucks not having a mirror like inches away. Oh.
You don't put yours in, you put theirs in.
Safety first. Man, we are a little close.
Okay, that side's already damaged.
Well, we don't want to damage it anymore. I have no idea how to get out of here.
Around? Right here.
Ooh. There we go. We found our passage. I love the smell of a diesel. I don't know what it is about him. Like every time I had a diesel truck, oh, I tried to buy that BMW. This blue one right here. It actually didn't go for too much. Yeah, diesels, absolutely love them. Alrighty. I don't know why I'm so hyper today. Maybe it's the sunshine. The sunshine finally came out. You know, the vitamin D, all the good stuff. So Andre is driving the Passat. I see it behind me. Looks like one of the headlights is out, and they are not HID. I was right. Woohoo, woohoo. But the thing is, I mean, she purrs. She's running really good. I guess we'll see if she'll make it back to the lot or not. I don't see why it wouldn't. It started on its own. It runs really well. And yeah, I guess we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen with it. Well, I made it, and there she is. Missed it. Thought I lost it somewhere. Okay, and I see Andre pulling up right here. Look at that. Seems like she made it with no issues. Do you not have AC? Is it blowing cold or no?
Yeah. The only thing that's wrong with the car, this mirror, and then it doesn't move.
It doesn't move?
Yeah.
Is it still pulling to the right?
Not really.
No?
No.
One of your bulbs is out on the headlight. I think the passenger side or driver, I don't remember. This one is on, so it's the passenger side. The payment hasn't cleared yet. So we are going to go to Costco. Hopefully it will clear by the time we are done. But just run a little errand because I do want to pick this car up in this video. Because I think, it was so easy, so smooth. But honestly, now I'm a little bit worried with the Mazda because the battery is dead. I saw that it was running. I saw that it had no check engine light. But this ain't my first rodeo. I know that with cars, if the battery's completely toasted, it could clear all the check engine codes. So who knows, maybe Mazda will be a good purchase like Andre's was. As you guys can see behind me, we went to Costco, got some stuff done, and now we are heading back to Mannheim, but surprisingly there is traffic and I don't know why. And Mannheim is super close, but it is like 4:40, and as far as I know, they close at 5, so I don't know. We are back. Hold on, I just closed it. Okay, hold it, throw it on there. Guys, so the oil was low. And I really hope that this thing ain't knocking, because I got it for cheap. And now I'm scared, because I haven't had really good luck with cheap cars. Okay, it don't sound too bad. Let me take this jump box off. We are moving under our own power, but Andre says it sounds like it's gonna die.
Brake light just...
We have heated seats.
Okay, brake light came on, went off, and then traction light went off, so no lights on the dash.
No lights on the dash, okay. I mean, the battery was dead, and who knows? That's seat belt, I'm assuming. So who knows when the last time was actually driven. I've never had this car, so I don't know how they should sound, but it is a 4-cylinder, so it ain't gonna sound really good. See, I personally don't like 4-cylinder cars. To me, they just sound weird, not as well insulated. They usually make more noise and whatnot, so I don't know. But I need to pull up this pull-out slip on my phone because we kind of rushed and didn't print it off. Oh, nice Range Rover. So she still ain't running too super duper good, but we're gonna add some oil to it, see if that helps. Since it was a little low, I think we could kill it and then jump it again, yeah? We added some oil. It sounds better, but I goofed up. I mean, like, look, I literally poured so much oil on that frame rail right there. But I guess let's take it back to the lot and see how well it does. Good luck. So look at that. One car was a great buy. The other one looks like not so much. And I am curious if by the time we get back to the lot, if the check engine light will come on and give us a code so we at least have some kind of idea. It could be that it wasn't ran for a while, you know, if it's been sitting for a few months or whatnot. I mean, the other problem is it's a turbo engine, and I am very unfamiliar with turbo engines. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I tell you what though, it does look pretty good in that color. And even private party, that car is valued at like 4.5 grand. And as it sits, I paid 1,200 bucks for it. $1,200, that's it. Condition of it, outside, inside, is pretty good. It's what you would expect for a car with 166,000 miles. Interior is actually better than the exterior, but I was thinking of listing it for like 2,900 bucks. You know, even if I sell it for 2.5, easily clear over a grand, but you know, sell it within a few days. But now that it's not running 100%, so we're gonna see what's up with it. And it has been a few miles from Mannheim, and it's doing very well. And we're not stranded on the side of the road, which is always a big plus. It made it. Andre says it idles not very good, but it runs really well. So as long as he's not stopped, he says it's running really well. We're gonna see if it'll start after, you know, a few mile drive. We're gonna park it in and then kill it. It almost sounds better already. Huh?
Right now. The whole car looks
Maybe plugs, ignition coils. You're good, keep going. That should be good, Andre, honestly. Oh yeah, it's not doing well now. So battery's good. Okay, well, we're gonna leave it here for now. Andre said no check engine code, so honestly, I don't even know what to assume about it right now. After bringing the Volkswagen, bringing the Mazda, issuing a trip permit for a car I sold a few days ago, and selling a minivan to my landlord, well, he's the one paying it, but he bought it for one of his employees. We are ready to wrap this up and tell you guys goodbye. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you stick around because there are so many more videos to be made and so many more things to be shown. I will see you guys in another video.